All right, buddy, welcome to the day ahead analysis for February 10th. I am back to trading. I took a little bit of a break. I was very burnt out. I've been grinding this past year. I've put a lot of time into Pro Edge, so I just feeling very tired and burnt out. So I took a week to myself and forgot about trading, and now I'm back. And so yeah, I'm excited to be back and ready to be back to trading. I got accounts that are in the money, ready to make some payouts on those. So hopefully we start this new cycle back up pretty good. A couple 150K accounts on Top Step that are about 2,000 in profit each. So I'm pretty happy with that. That's besides the fact. Let's get into the NQ and ES analysis here today. So a lot of cross currents going on. I think I would be very careful trading here this next week and in the next week. It looks like, there's a lot of weekly resistance above us. Who knows if that daily congestion wants to hold or, it wants to drive up and through that. With that close outside the envelope, it helps a little bit. I mean, I'll be looking for a buy opportunity around 24,950 into that daily support around that middle of the envelope. So hopefully Asia can drive us down in there, but anywhere from where it's at right now to 500, it looks like it's just like darkness. I don't know, it's like you can't get a read on that. So I would say be very cautious with your capital here in this time. I mean, the weekly envelope kind of held that pocket after trying to make a move down, suck back up. So, but I do think there's a good bit of weekly resistance here with the core, daily true average, and middle of the envelope right there. Monthly, it's really trying to decide here. Look at this chart, it's just brutal. A lot of resistance above. Also got this congestion support here. So I'm kind of waiting for it to tell me what to do. I think this is a good time to just be very cautious with your trading. Take some break evens. Only trade when it's clear, when you have a good sense of direction where the daily's going. And right now I really don't have that clear of a sense to where that daily is going to go, or really the weekly. So I'm being very cautious, and I'm okay if I don't take a trade in a day. Even though I'm coming off a break, I really don't care that if I come back and I'm not going to trade, because I'm not going to change how my strategy is, and I'm going to continue to trade how I trade. And in these times, I think it's better to be cautious. ES has a little better close. I mean, this daily true average might try to pick it up, but there's a lot of weekly resistance here. It would take a lot for it to drive up and through that. So monthly looks a little stronger. We have that double core DML up there, a lot of resistance above. So same thing as NQ. Be cautious with what you're seeing. Gold. I mean, with that big move down, I think it's kind of going to want to hang out around this area for a little bit before it makes a move. Who knows if it wants to go back up there and challenge those highs? I wouldn't be banking on it. You might get a pocket on the weekly if it drives up in there. Plus, I think if tomorrow finishes up in here, that could be a good flash pattern in the double core DMLs into that weekly pocket. So, I mean, monthly looks kind of strong. We're getting back up towards that old monthly extension, and still a good move off that quarterly. So gold is the same picture too. I would be very cautious with what you're looking at. Silver, I don't even want to look at that chart, to be honest with you. I don't trade silver, and it looks kind of messy. So looking at bonds here, in a trend run down kind of on the monthly. Weekly just keeps chopping around this area. Tough market to trade. You are coming out of that pocket. I mean, it might drive us into the last week's highs. But yet again, I think it's the same picture. Just be cautious with what you're doing. Euro, starting to recover a little bit off that move a couple weeks ago. Looks strong. I mean, it's a really good daily move. up and through that pocket right there. That you're challenging last week's resistance, so be careful. Monthly looks strong though. Looks like that support right there is picking it up pretty nicely. So versus euro versus dollar, I would be bullish on that. But as far as NQ and ES, like I said before, I'd be cautious with your trading. Only trade when you have a good sense of direction on the daily and you know what it's doing. And right now, I just don't think we have a good sense of direction as to where it's heading. Obviously, you can still make money when you have good clear setups in the intraday charts. But I will only be taking something if it feels very clear to me. And I'm okay with taking a lot of break evens. So that's my analysis here today. I think everybody should proceed with caution and not force it, save their capital in times like this. So, when we're in April, that area, in the summertime, and it looks clear, then you can really push it and start to make real money and not have to regain the losses that you made during this time. So I'm going to be cautious tomorrow, but I'll be there to trade. I'm ready to be back. I'm excited to start trading again, so that's fun. But that would be my day ahead analysis for February 10th. I hope everybody has a good rest of their night and a good trading day tomorrow. I will see everybody in the chat tomorrow. So, see ya.